There are a few factors to consider when choosing the right metal for your project. The first is what type of project it is. If it's a structural project, you'll need to choose a material that is strong and durable. If it's a decorative project, you can choose one that is less expensive and easier to work with. The second factor to consider is the budget for your project. Metal can be costly, so you'll need to decide how much you're willing or able to spend. The third factor is the level of difficulty of your project. Some are easier to work with than others, so if you're not an experienced metalworker, you may want to choose one that is easier to cut, weld, and finish. Your choice of materials for a project is important for several reasons. Strength, durability, and cost are all factors that need to be considered. The most popular materials to help you make an informed decision about the best material for your needs. When it comes to metal projects, there is no one-size-fits-all solution. The best for your project will depend on a number of factors, including the intended use, budget, and aesthetic preferences. By taking the time to understand your options, you can choose the material that will help you achieve your desired results.